My husband and I have lived in this home since 1986, and we raised our two sons. They're now in their 40s. My husband and I are both retired. I've always played an instrument of some sort. I have a closet full of random instruments. I play a little bit of banjo, guitar, ukulele, I play harmonica. Our homeowner's policy came due and it was very high. It was close to $1,000, and it has been creeping up through the years. So I called the insurance agent and she said that it was because of the age of our roof. And we were actually paying a surcharge because our roof was 20 plus years old. I was impressed with everything that involved this process of getting a roof, from the first phone call from Erma to the end when the guys were cleaning up the site. Everything was fabulous. The site was immaculate. We got the Corning fiberglass shingles, which are warranted for oodles of years, and the warranty is transferable to anybody we would sell this house to. And so I started going over to the senior center. Twice a month they have a music jam where this band would play, and then people came in and they would put the songs on the wall and you'd sing along, and they encourage people to bring instruments. So I would bring a guitar or a banjo. And I came home and told my husband, they invited me to practice again. And he said, I think you're in the band. I said, no, they're just being nice. Well, when they invited me to the third practice, I thought, maybe I am in the band. But anyways, I really was. They invited me officially to be in the band and to be part of them, and I've been doing that. It'll be 2 years this month, actually. I was impressed with the Starway Roof Systems employees and how they all had great attitudes and the expertise that they demonstrated, and they enjoyed what they did.